Hi viewers, welcome to the Grammar Channel. Today we are going to learn about the poem Fog. Fog, written by C.A. Sandburg. Sandburg was an American poet. He was a writer and also an editor. He won 3 Pulitzer Prizes, 2 for his poetry and 1 for his biography of Abraham Lincoln. He wrote many famous poems. The poem Fog is probably Sandburg's best known poem and has been a popular choice for study since it was first published in Chicago Poems in 1916. Sandburg was very inspired to write it one day when he went out for a walk near Chicago's Grant Park. The poet Sandburg describes fog as a cat. The description of fog as a living creature shows his much interest in the wonders and beauties of nature. To him, the coming of fog resembles exactly the way a cat comes silently and quietly into the place. By keeping the lines short, Sandburg is controlling the pace, keeping it slow. Viewers, as you read the poem, you have to slow down your reading because you are not too sure about the next word or the next line. This reflects the slow fog rolling in. Here, his imagination is so beautiful. This very small poem, Fog, is describing nature's act in a beautiful manner. But viewers, there are some interesting things as to why the poet chose cat for his description. Just like fog, cat is independent. It does not follow any rules and it slips and slides in and out as it pleases. Cats are stealthy, moving in a slow motion and reaches the place quietly. They can fix themselves quietly, yet they appear to be moving mysteriously. Cats can sit or lie down for hours in an elevated state, looking around all that happens. Fog, same way, moves in at a slow pace and then stops, covering a landscape or seascape, bringing silence. Cats like to move on at their own pace, at their leisure. They become totally relaxed, but they want to move, they do so usually on their own terms. Before you know it, they have disappeared, faded away into the underground, leaving only their aura behind. Same way with the fog. The fog does the same thing like the cat. We move on to the summary. Fog poem reflects Sandburg's interest in nature. It beautifully captures the moment when the fog comes and moves. The poet compares the fog with a cat because the cat also comes with soft paws and without it giving any sign of its arrival. The same is the case with fog as it approaches exactly the similar way as cat. The poet is saying about the fog, which is generally seen during the winter season, and it is coming towards the city and the harbor just like a cat. Next, the poet says the fog has covered the city and harbor completely, and it appears as if a cat is sitting by folding its legs and looking around. Viewers, you need to imagine the fog as though a cat, a shape of a cat, folding and sitting on top. So, poet also described the silent and unpredictable departure of the fog. Fogs are visible in cold areas or in mountains or forests. But in this poem, the poet describes fog which is happening in the cities and harbor, not in mountains or forests. He gave a wonderful comparison between the fog and the cat. When a cat comes around us, Mostly it comes slowly that people hardly notice. The same is the case with the fog and its arrival. It just comes in and engulfs the entire place and goes away. It stays on for some time and moves silently away. Then the poet says, it just comes, sits at the harbor, and looks at the city. It is at the silent haunches and then finally moves on. Here, the poet described the happening once the fog has arrived. Fogs, as such, do not cause any harm because it's very silent and the arrival is slow too. But when the fog is around, especially in the city, many accidents may occur due to low visibility. Drivers cannot see the road properly when the fog is around. Thus, due to fog, people cannot see the road properly or anything else around while driving on the road. Hence, sometimes fog may be very harmful to human life. Therefore, a fog comes in similar to a small and silent kitten. It sits and watches the beauty while it covers the whole city. At last, the poet says, just as a small child gets bored playing the same game and hence moves on to the next game, the fog also does not stay in one place for a longer time. Therefore, after some time, the fog moves like a small cat or a small child who gets bored doing the same activity.